So right here in front of me, I have a box from ZZP. I got their high flow intake tube thing, I think it's called, for the 2.2 liter and 2.4. It just replaces this big hunkin' piece of crap. So, I haven't opened it yet. I don't know what it looks like. There is the tube. This is basically the main piece that replaces it all. And it feels really good too. It looks, yes, it's gonna be great. It also came with the, if I can get it out, the coupler. And whatever's in there. Another coupler. And obviously, before we start this, we have to get a sound clip. You're on my phone right now because my camera is dead. The only two tools you need for this is a flathead screwdriver and some pliers, because that, and then the one on the throttle body, and that little breather tube thing. So I mean, we can basically just start unscrewing everything. Like that. Isn't that great? This one, they're all very easy to get to, so that's very good. Oh, and there's a clip up here too, right there. I forgot about the clip. It's easy to get out, as you can tell. Alright, now you just pull the PVC off. PCV, whatever freak it's called. You can probably just pull up on the intake. Throttle body side, whatever. There. See, that's off. And that's off. And then, okay, I have to put you down to take that tube off, but just now, you have to just pliers it off. So that's off. Look how much nicer that looks. Great. And you can see the Ecotech thing. Isn't that fantastic? I love it. So yes, now all you basically do is put the coupler on there, put the coupler on there, and then put the tube in between the two couplers, and then push them together, and then you're good. But I'll show you that too. Also, don't forget to put your hose clamps on before you put the intake on, the tube. This is what was in that little package right over here. It was inside this. That's what I didn't know what was inside. So, you don't want to forget these, because these are kind of important. I think I want the screw on the inside. And then this one will go on there. So this screw that was on the throttle body side, I'm going to have it in the same exact positioning as it was. And then, just like these, I'm going to put this one on the inside.
Okay.
As long as it's filming in the right direction.
Oh. Did you already start it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Did you stop it?
No, but I flipped it around.
Good grief. I found out what's easier is just to put the couplers on the tube itself and then put the tube on. Because if you put the couplers on first, you can't put the tube on. So I did the show. Yeah. It's very overwhelming with all the clamps, but it's fine. I'm going to put the throttle body side on first. Just like that. And then I stretch it around and do the intake side, or the air filter side. Oh, and you need to reuse, I guess. Oh, you need to reuse the clamps from this hose, or at least I'm going to, because it didn't come with new ones. Unless they're in a box somewhere. So I'm just going to reuse them. I'm also going to trim the hose because it's way too long right now and it'll pink up. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, it's trimmed. So all I did was I just used a razor blade. Very easy. And then you can slip it back on. And then you put your hose clamp on. Like that. Fantastic. And then you can go ahead and tighten all of your, what are they called? All of your hose clamps. And when you're tightening these, make sure they're straight, because this one wasn't. And that might lead to a bigger issue down the road. That's what the new intake looks like. And I think it looks really cool. Don't mind all the dustiness. It's just, yeah. I'll wash it soon, I promise. I hope you guys liked my ZZP intake tube install. If you want to see more stuff like this, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Just revving it like that when it does the, you know, when I did it, I just feel like it was more like a, but now I feel like it's more like a, you know, it's just, it's not like that different, it's just louder. It goes, now it's, you know? Should I leave that in?